obskyritet bland bergen. Då dansar gruvfrun. Osynlig för blotta ögat, men med påtaglig närvaro, dansar gruvfrun. När natthimlen glittrar och de djupa skogarna tystnat, då dansar gruvfrun. Påtaglig och vacker, iklädd ljusgrå slöja, dansar gruvfrun.
Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. Honestly, I did film last weekend and I had an epic adventure. Me and my buddy Jamie went on a 3-day bike packing trip, filmed it all, lost it all. We have a little bit of footage left. Got some drone footage and our descent and Jamie nearly dying. Let's show you that real quick. Oh! What are you doing? What was that?
I hope you were filming it.
I was. What happened?
I'm not sure, man. I think I'm just so excited.
So today we are in Rosman. We have driven over 215 straight to right here. That's 215, that's a road. We're at Bird Rock Falls. This is right outside of Rosman. It's a quick half-mile hike. Says it's only like 65 feet of elevation gain. Should be easy for us and the kids. I can hear it. I think it's going to be a pretty hike.
När natthimlen glittrar och de djupa skogarna tystnat, då dansar gruvfrun. Påtaglig och vacker, iklädd ljusgrå slöja, dansar gruvfrun. That was down to, I guess, the lower points, like a half-mile hike. Wasn't bad. It was actually really fun. Huge swimming area. Got a little crowded there at the end, but great, worth the hike. It was so pretty too. We're gonna go back up to the top. We'll go back up to the top, let the kids swim a little bit more. Osynlig för blotta ögat, men med påtaglig närvaro, dansar gruvfrun.